Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Mr. Saeedullah Khan. Viewers, we have completed the solving of model paper section A and section B. Now today we'll start section C. The solutions of section C is here. Look at the questions carefully. In section C, you'll have to attempt any two questions. Each carries one question carries 10 marks. Okay, you'll have to attempt any two questions, so total marks is 20. Attempt two questions, okay, and question number 4 is compulsory. Keep in your mind, question number 4 is compulsory. Today we are just going to solve the question number 3. Look at there. Question number 3. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your concern over spread of corona, means coronavirus. Concern over spread of coronavirus. Now look at here, or you will be given a choice. The choice is write a story on any one of the following topics. Number 1 is greed is a curse. Number 2 topic is honesty is the best policy. Now first we'll solve the letter. When we are going to write a letter, first we'll have to write a heading over there. Look at the heading and the format of the letter. You please take a screenshot or note down on your register or diary. Okay, look at that carefully. We'll write here examination hall, and the next line ABC Road means any address you can write over here. Then Karachi. Then you write the date. Okay, date you can write 5th April 2021, or you can write April 5th 2021, or the 5th of April 2021, or you can write 5/04 2021. Okay, these are the correct use of the writing date. Next you will have to write the editor, then the Delhi Dawn, then Karachi. After that you'll have to write subject, and then you are going to write the subject. You will have to write the subject in a block letter, okay, which is given over here, and underline your subject as well. Now correct the spelling. First virus की spelling पहले बेटा correct कर लीजिए, then we'll come to over here. Sometime it's happened coronavirus. The heading is, now look at carefully, it becomes a coronavirus. Spread, subject is spread of coronavirus, means spread over coronavirus. It is also correct one. Okay, now spread of coronavirus means coronavirus is just going spread very fast, so you'll have to write how can we control it. After subject you'll have to write there sir. After sir put a comma, then start your first para. First para you can start in many ways. The first, these lines mean 3 lines will help you how to start the beginning. You can write, I want to draw the attentions of the concerned authorities. You can write over there, means I want to draw the attentions of the concerned authority through the column of your esteemed newspaper on the following matter. And the matter is, it is essential to say how much harmful and dangerous this virus is. But still, shockingly, many people take it for granted. They neither wear masks nor they maintain social distancing properly, which leads to a very risky situations of being attacked by COVID-19, not just for them but also for the people near them. These people would not have violated the protocol if extremely strict action was taken for violating any rule. Okay, मीन्स उस वक्त तक ये नहीं सुधरेंगे जब तक कि इनके लिए कोई स्ट्रिक्ट जो है रूल्स फॉलो ना किया जाए. नेक्स्ट, पीपल हु डोंट वेयर मास्क while going out should be fined heavily. People who don't maintain social distancing should be given strict wearing by the police. Okay, strict warning. It is a strict warning, not warning. It is warning. Correct it. Okay, and I am sure that such steps can make our environment safer, and instead of this global pandemic, we can do our duty work by worrying less about the coronavirus. And I shall be very grateful to you if you space up this letter in your newspapers so that the awareness about the coronavirus could spread and the whole country as well as the whole world may be saved. And yours faithfully XYZ. You'll have to write faithfully and XYZ. This is the means letter about the coronavirus. Next, now the choice story writing. Now the story is greed is a curse. Lalaj buri bala hai. It is written over there. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Okay, and since the creations of man, human heart has always been filled with different sorts of desires. कहते हैं ज़मीन जो है वो काफ़ी है अपनी ज़रूरियात पूरी करने के लिए, लेकिन अपनी जो है लालच पूरी करने के लिए ज़मीन ना काफ़ी है. यानी ज़मीन पे आपने लालच ना करें, आप जो है उसको लालच में ना आए, बल्कि जो ज़रूरत है वो आप आसानी से पूरी कर सकते हैं. जबकि द क्रिएशंस ऑफ मैन, इंसान की जब से इंसान की तख्लीक हुई है, इंसान जो है हमेशा से फिल्ड विद डिफरेंट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ डिज़ायर्स. इंसान कई ख्वाहिशात से भरा पड़ा है, ख्वाहिशात जन्म लेती रही हैं. इट इज़ इंस्क्राइब्ड इन हिज नेचर टू अचीव मोर एंड मोर. ये इंसान की तबीयत में, फितरत में रच बस गया है कि बस वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा की तलाश में होता है हासिल करने की. ही इज़ नॉट कंटेंटेड विद व्हाट ही हैज़, वुड नॉट बी कंसर्न विद व्हाट ही वुड लाइक टू हैव. दैट्स all because of materialistic gain, and there is not any limit of materialistic gain, and that simply destroys human's nature and character badly. Once there were three friends. अब देखिए पहले स्टार्ट कैसे किया, अब फिर कहानी यहाँ से शुरू हो रही है. Once there were three friends who used to live in a small village. तीन दोस्त थे जो एक गांव में रहते थे. One day they all are passing through the forest. एक घंटा तीनों जंगल से गुजर रहे थे. They found a bag which had been hidden. वो उन्होंने एक बैग मिला उन्हें जो कहीं छुपाया हुआ था किसी ने. When they opened the bag, that bag, जब उन्होंने वो बैग खोला, there were a lot of golden coins. सोने के को सिक्के थे उसमें. गोल्ड कॉइन्स होगा, ये गोल्डन कॉइन्स जो होगा, सही कर लीजिएगा. Be seeing this, they, ये देखकर दे हैव बिकम ग्रीडी, लालच आ गया उनमें. फर्स्टली दे डिसाइडेड टू डिवाइड होल कॉइन्स इक्वली. पहले तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो पूरा जो अशरफियाँ हैं वो आपस में बराबर तकसीम कर लेंगे. ड्यूरिंग दिस दे ऑल फेल्ट हंग्री. इसी दौरान उन्हें भूख लगी. सो वन ऑफ देम आस्क्ड वन ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स टू ब्रिंग फूड फ्रॉम द मार्केट. When he went to his friend, when he went to market, so those two friends made a plan to kill him and could divide between them equally. And the friend who went to the market decided to mix poison in the food so he could easily take over all coins and had mixed poison in the food. उन दोनों ने सोचा कि जिसे हमने मार्केट भेज दिया है वो जैसे आएगा उसको कत्ल कर देंगे और फिर हम ये ख़जाना आपस में बराबर तकसीम कर लेंगे हम दोनों. और वो जो मार्केट गया था खाना लेने के लिए, उसने ये सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं खाने में जहर मिला दूं और इन दोनों को खिला दूं और पूरा ख़जाना मैं ले लूं. यहाँ तक बात पहुँची है, उसने खाने में जहर मिला दिया. When he came back, जब वो वापस आया from the market, so his both friends killed him accordingly to their plan. उन दोनों ने मिलकर उसको कत्ल कर दिया. And after killing him they ate food. फिर उन्होंने खाना खा लिया विच वॉज पॉइजनस एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वर ऑल्सो डेड एंड लेफ्ट द बैग ऑफ golden coins, gold coins behind them. No one could become the honor because they greed. कोई भी हासिल ना कर सका, तीनों ही मर गए. उन दोनों ने खाना खाया, पॉइजन था, वो भी मर गए. So the moral of the story is one who always desires more and more always loses. Also, it is better for everyone to satisfy and be contented with what he gets. Understood? Okay, next. दूसरी स्टोरी है. दूसरी स्टोरी हमारे पास ये तो थी. ठीक है, इंशाल्लाह दूसरी स्टोरी हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको देंगे. ठीक, जब तक के लिए इजाज़त. सईदुल्लाह खान को मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. ठीक है, शाद रहिए, आबाद रहिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़. फ़ी अमान अल्लाह.